My heart and prayers go out to the flood victims in Texas. But, earlier in the year, the current administration, they did a lot of layoffs. Yeah, did a lot of layoffs on the NOAA and the NWS. The NOAA, which is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, oversee the NWS, which is the National Weather Service. Under the NOAA, they oversee all of it, hurricanes, etc. A lot of layoffs were done. Over thousands of layoffs were done. And don't you folks think that having timely alerts, timely warnings, timely forecasting could have helped prevented some of this? Folks, elections have consequences. And don't people say, don't point the blame, don't put this about politics. It's always about politics because the government are in charge of these entities. But once again, my heart and prayers go out to the flood victims in Texas.